Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the CRM plugin on a Linux. I'm currently using Ubuntu Linux. Okay, just to note that the CRM and Redmine Contacts plugin is the same thing. Okay, so before you start anything, you have to go into your license manager and download the very latest version of the CRM plugin. In our case here, it is version 4.3.6. This is the Pro version. However, if you would like to install the light free version, you can go into our site, into the CRM page, and request the plugin there, and it will be sent to your email. Okay, so once you have downloaded the zip file, we have to extract it first. So you have to enter the folder here, and then you have to copy this one. It is Redmine/contacts. So you copy it, and then you go into your Redmine core folder. In this case, I'm using Redmine 5.0. And then you have to select the plugins directory and paste the plugin there. Okay. Just to note that we got Redmine here, and as you can see, we do not have the CRM plugin installed yet. So now please see the steps in the command line. So after we copied the plugin into the plugins folder, the first thing you have to do is to execute the bundle install command, which is installing the required gems. So the next step is to do the migration. It is done via this command. And here, very important is in the name to set the plugin that you are going to migrate. In our current situation, it is Redmine Contacts plugin. So we click enter. Please note that these are only warnings for developers, so they are not going to harm the plugin's work. Okay, so we see that the command is successfully executed and everything is running fine with the migration. So the last thing you have to do is to restore your Redmine. So it is with the command touch temporary restart txt. So that's it. Now let's go here in our Redmine and just refresh our page to see if the Redmine Contacts plugin is successfully installed here. So we click the refresh page and we just wait a little bit for the process of restarting. Okay, so we see that the Redmine Contacts plugin is successfully appearing now in our Redmine, and it is successfully installed. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you with the other video demonstrations. Bye bye for now.